welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. It's me again, Daniela Booking. We have Gizard to prepare. Remember, tomorrow is Christmas and it's Christmas Eve. Everyone is doing a Christmas prep, so this is one of the things we are using. So we are doing this amount of Gizard, chicken Gizard. So I've already washed it. Everything is clean and the pot is also clean. So I will be putting it in the pot right now. Just cut this onions, not really too small, just this medium size of onions. So I'll be putting this this is bay leaf. This is the kind salt my son buys. For me, this is the salt I have this time. So he's choose this salt at the supermarket. So yeah, we are dealing with it. So this one is curry, and this is seasoning, Maggi cube, and this one is thyme and ginger powder. So that's what I will be using. So just to so this little guy here, I will be adding it also. This is what I used to prep the chicken. So I will just add it to it. You will see the ingredients when you watch the chicken video. You'll see the ingredients we use on that one is braised onions and pepper, ginger, garlic, and Maggi. Everything mixed together. So that's what I have inside that one. Yeah, so yeah, I will just cover it and straight to stove. This is how the Gizard look like now. I didn't add any water, just the one we used to the ingredients we used to mix it and the water that come out of it. So this is the one how it look like right now. Just, I will leave it for like more 5 minutes. It's almost done. I will leave it for like 5 minutes. Okay, the Gizard is dry. Just wait for just 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Off the stove and yeah, start the next process. The next one, who can guess what the next one will be? What do you think? Just wait. Few more minutes. Yeah, sure. Few more minutes. We know what we are doing. You will know what we are doing. Yay! I don't want to fry these since I used to cook it, so I'm just trying to separate those ones from it. The rest can go with it, but not this one. I don't want to fry the bay leaf with it. Yeah. Yes. yeah, we'll hot. 2 minutes. The gizzard is brown now. It's ready. Fried, not really that too fried, but wow. Okay. So we just put it like this. Onions. Don't really mind that anyone you can take, but just keep. Okay, this one is full. So it's the same process, just continue putting them in a stick. I'll just continue the same process, same thing, same thing, same thing. If you want to do yours 2 2 1 2 2 1, just put 2 gizzard, put something else. That's fine too. But I'm doing it like this today. Your guy that is helping me, which one fast pass? For me and you, I think I fast pass you, right?
Yeah.
Hey, see now. I try now. You try too. I don't know why this gizzard self. If you see this small one, maybe you can put 2 to 1 or so. Yeah, I will just do it continuous like that, like that, like that. Yeah. So, still on the gizzard thing. But right now we're done with the main thing, the reason why we boil the gizzard. So the leftover one, I don't want the leftover one to just be just like that. So yeah, I don't know. These tomatoes, I've already used it before for my previous video. I use it on Gizard and fish thing that I make before. So today I will be using the leftover of it. How I make the tomatoes: I grind the pepper, onions, and Derrica tomatoes. I fry them. That's how I get it like that. So the same thing I'll be using for these the remaining gizzard that remain for what I use the main gizzard do for today. So yeah, so I just sliced this plantain and then fried it. So I'll be doing it together just to, because I done with that the amount I need, I got it. So yeah, I don't want the gizzard to just go in the fridge like that. I want to just make it as a gizzard to change it to, yeah. We're still on the Christmas preparation. Today is December 24th. Tomorrow will be Christmas. So what are you preparing for your Christmas? So this one is just our prepping by doing things down. So we have variety of food to eat tomorrow. Yeah, so we don't want to be doing all of this tomorrow. Yeah, so just like this. Yeah, this dodo is already ready, so we'll just give it a few minutes. Put stove on mid, give it a few minutes to just cook together. That's all.